It is Saturday, February 29th. Drone Geek Lancaster here, and I can't think of a better way to spend my extra day this leap year than going to an FAA protest in Washington, D.C. This morning I'm headed out to D.C. We're going to be protesting legislation that's on the table concerning remote ID and implementing that in drones everywhere in the United States, and how that's going to limit some people in the way that they use their drone, especially our friends in the FPV community. So we got to get down there, we got to show them some support, we got to make sure that we're speaking against the FAA and the legislation that's on the table as it currently stands. We're going to meet a lot of cool people down there. 6 o'clock in the morning right now. I should get there around 8, maybe a little after. Really looking forward to this. It's going to be a great time, and I can't wait to just get involved with the community at this capacity. Really excited, and I'm glad you guys are coming with me. You know, before we get too much further in this video and in this journey, I do want to just address the audio quality. I could kick myself, have everything checked off except for the last thing at the bottom, and it's because I didn't actually have that thing. I needed to purchase it, which was an external camera for the DJI Osmo. I'm gonna do my best today with what I've got, and I really hope that you'll still stick around for the journey. No excuses next time. We're gonna get that mic. All right, guys, we have made it. We are in DC, and we're here for the FAA remote ID legislation protest. Cannot wait to get involved with this. It's a lot longer of a car ride than I thought it was going to be, and it's really only 2 hours, but the traffic, once you get just outside the city, it's bad. We got to make sure we're standing together, because the minute that we don't stand together and the minute that we aren't there for each other and supporting each other is the minute that all of the freedoms and all of the privileges that we have are completely taken away. We need to make sure that we are always standing up for those rights, and we always need to make sure that we're supporting one another within the community. So enough rambling, I'm done talking, done preaching. We're gonna get out there, we're gonna meet some awesome people, we're gonna have a great time today, and hopefully warms up just a little bit, because it is 35 degrees right now and it's cold.
The FAA and tell them just go deal with planes, bud. We're just gonna have a hobby over here.
All right, Drone Geek Lancaster here. I met the man, Ken Heron. Hey. I'm here with him. How's it going, Ken?
It's going great. Yeah!
Woo! Now that you gave me your t-shirt, it's very cold out here.
It is.
This will be very warming.
Yeah, I'm excited. So I'm happy you're here, Ken. This is great, and just want to let you know that I appreciate everything you do for the community, and I hope that we can continue to fly freely even after all of this.
Absolutely. It's good to be appreciated.
Yeah.
You know, people sometimes don't realize how much work it is to do this stuff, and to have people like yourself thank you and enjoy your stuff, it really means.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
Great to meet you.
Want to involve the whole world. Okay, there's plenty of people with eyes on us today, so we want to make sure our efforts all go towards the same thing. Please, as we build up momentum, use hashtag #FightForFPV. turnout is starting to get great here. We started out with maybe 40 people, and I think we have over, it's gotta be at least 200, 250 people right now. It's just been great. My day's starting to wind down. These guys are going for quite a bit longer, and if I have anything to say, whether you made it out to the protest or not today, make sure that you get on the FAA's website and you leave a comment for them regarding remote ID. It is so crucial that we make sure our voice is heard. Hey guys, Drone Geek Lancaster, just checking in before I leave. I am about to head out, but just wanted to recap how I feel about today and how everything's gone. It's been an awesome demonstration. It was a good turnout for it being 35 degrees or something in that ballpark in Washington, D.C. The main thing that I want to say before I leave is make sure you're commenting on the legislation the FAA is trying to pass. Let them know what you use drones for and how negatively this will impact you and your drone use, because it's going to impact all of us, some greater than others, but certainly it's going to impact all of us. We have until March 2nd, I believe, to make our comments. Make sure your voice is heard. They're not extending the deadline for comments. Get out and demonstrate if you have the opportunity to in your local community. Even if you didn't make it here today, we know that there's a strong force behind this community. We want to make sure that we continue to push the issue, that we will not go quietly with this. Make sure you get on, comment before March 2nd. This has been Drone Geek Lancaster. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Yes, we are going 15 miles an hour and stopping sporadically on the highway, and there's no accident. There's no road work, there's no construction, no accident, nothing. I love DC traffic. It's one of my favorites.